Hello everyone, welcome to Back to Bill. Today we'll continue a new series in OpenShift. We'll continue this series as a lab troubleshooting purpose of OpenShift, and another series will continue to learning the how to in OpenShift. So first of all, today we'll deploy one lab in OpenShift. Before that, we'll go to the developer sandbox. It is free. You can practice in here in Red Hat's website. So before that, you need a registration in Red Hat. So you can do it using your Google or GitHub or any Microsoft account. I already have done it. This is my back to bit credential. Yes. Start your sandbox for free. In OpenShift. It's taking some time. Okay. Let me little you. Now, this is the latest version of Red Hat Open Series. Before that, you will see instead of our code platform, we can find it as a developer or administration. Now, the core platform is a combination of the developer and the administration. You can define the developer job like that, and the administration job like networking purpose or the storage, assign and the policy, RABC, everything. So first things, you came to the home, you will find the project, which is the name page, same to the Kubernetes. So my login ID is by to will. That's why one name page is already created. Just call the project. So you can find in here. This is all the sample. We can use it to build our project, and this is active. So you can show the chart also, the CPU, memory, and the file system, network file transfer, everything. You can see in here in the graphical interface, and you can operate over with your CLI also. We'll explore everything. This is a detail. This is a label. You can find this is the YML configuration. We can edit also in later. We'll do the workload. We have not created anything. That's why the no resources found. We'll create in some time. This is the event. We can check every event for our troubleshooting purpose. Yes, one workspace is creating. It's automatically created when you log in, no? And then that will automatically create it. This is the ecosystem. This is the software catalog. All the available, the Helm chart, the image builder, operator, everything inside. We can just filter it and use it. The CI/CD pipeline, Jenkins template, and you can find in workload the topology will mostly use in here also. No resource found because nothing is created. And the pods, you can see the pods that's all are running instead of using the CLI. And the deployment config, the secret, this networking, this is a service, this is a route. We'll modify it once we run our resources, the storage, the PVC, everything. Now note that there is one plus symbol which help to import the YML or any our import the Git repository. and this is the CLI. So click on, try again, go to the project. We'll deploy one Nginx image. Before that, let me, okay, now the terminal has come. This is the bash 5.1. You can add terminal 2, terminal 3, multiple number. Everything will be work simultaneously. So before that, I run the Nginx. I want to check the what is happening inside the during deployment. So OC, look, OC, who am I? First response is about to build. OC get event minus W to watch every event live if something is running. What is that? The workspace is that I told. I'll check. That's why you OC get watch watch is that watch is created 2 by 2 running. Restart 0. Okay. Here you can go OC gets watch. It will show that for only. Now back to the view and sample. Create one in Nginx. My mistake. Sorry, my mistake. Yes, build that image. This is the GitHub link. UIB chain. Create. Now look at the log. 0 is running in Nginx. Going to create and is getting the error. Let's check the error. Error image full. Is pulling the image from this repository. Is getting error. Initially it will get error. After that it will be okay. I will explain what is this is happening. There is a little difference between the Kubernetes and the OpenShift in process. It will take little time. You can browse in here also graphically. Look, this deployment is going to create a Nginx sample. Is showing one alert. In details, the port 0, this is the port value, number of port. And in resources, what resources going to, and this is the observe. The CPU and the memory uses, the matrix will be showing here. Let's wait one moment to build this run 1 minute. Once the image is built, but it's unable to pull the image still. The image is started. Yes, 1 by 2 is done. 2 by 2. Once it's clear, then it will complete. Look, Nginx one build, 1 by 2 is completed here. Image pullback of, yes, correct. Pending, now it's done. Look at here, that's one port is running. You can see. To show the resources, go to the project, then project means your namespace. Go to the workload, You can find two in here. Yes, sample app in Nginx. You click on it, you can find the resources. In here also you can do the scaling, the rollout, everything you can do. Rate labeling instead of CLI. You can manually do. We'll do it. In details, you can see the number of pods is running. Okay. You can manually increase number of pods also if you need. I just put two pods, scaling to one pod. You see the log. 1 minute. Created container. It will come. Small system. OC get pods. Yes. Two number of pods is running. That one and that one. The last ID will match. This is the deployment name Nginx sample. This is the replica set up to here, and then this is entire pod name. Like this is happening. Within deployment there is a replica set, same replica. Within same replica number of pods is vary. So that's why one by one. If we need more two number pods, look. Then to check the number of pods, OC mistake pods, it will show four number of pods. Like Indian example one, this is previously, this is that one also previously, and that two one is created now. Thus the aging is showing 95 7 30 seconds like that. In terminal view, we can see. Look, this is the new port DX LSQ last. Not updating. Okay, we check the log. Do one thing, I just decreasing number of. I need one number of ports. We'll experiment and then come back again. Just scaling the number of ports to 1. Then get, look, the first port is state. You can view the, there is a memory is it's showing which port, this is bandwidth. We can insert here also all the event. You can go to the topology also. You find that one same deployment. If you go to the specifically port, you can find the number of ports is running. That one by one running. Go to the deployment. You can find the engine is different. This is the leveling. This is a secret, and this is a file. You can go to the config also. Okay, now let's can go all. It will say everything. It's taking time. I think the network issue. Look what is showing. Yes, from here only. Is showing the ports, then the cluster IP, the deployment, the replica set, and the route. Yes, route in here. TCP port number 8080. Okay, one by one come. OC get ports. We can find that one. Want to get the replica set. RX is the cell phone. Okay, OC get deployment. Deployment. Now I want to check within the port the description. To get the description, OC this describe. Now here is the things. This is the action. What you want to do? You want to get or describe or delete or new app. It will come in here. After that, the resource name suppose what, okay, and the port name. There is a multiple of number of port is here. So which specific port you want to check that one. So you can do two way. One is you go in here and copy. Okay, it will work. If you want to know and not go, then just push Nginx and then press the tab. Okay, sample. After the sample, there is a multiple. That's why is again press tab. It will show. Just look. That will come. So which one is running? My 784. That one. Just press 7 and then again tab. So it will fulfill. Now press enter. So it is the description of the port that's running. This is very useful because in even the troubleshooting purpose, we'll check everything. Look, this is the IP address, the replica set name. This is a replica set. We have checked via OC get RS, and after that, after this value, the port name is coming. This is CRIO. The state is running. If it's cancelled or completed, or if any error or if the restart is increasing, the counter will be increased. This is a resource for this port. One more thing, if the port is exit, then there will be one code like 01, 127, 128. It will very much helpful to troubleshooting the port. Look, here also event is coming. Okay, 7 minutes before. This is the repository pulling the image. The start the container like so. Like the same way, you can describe the sorry deploy also. This is the resource name deploy. So I do what is the resource name? So I just put Nginx, automatically it come. Press enter. Look, After the deployment, whatever we have done, there is an one pod, we make it 2, then 4. The same thing is happening. This is the log is showing in here. First 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 3 4, then back to n 1. When just scaling the port, number of ports. This is the host port and the which port 8080 and 8433. There is no volume is mounted in here, is showing tolerance none, 25% max unavailable, 25% max search. This is the replica. If we put 4, then automatically it will be updated. This is a selector. You can see in YML format also. Deploy name, the resource name, -o output YML. The deployment showing in YML format. We'll explore in very details the YML and everything. Just have a look. Same, you can see the port also. Now I am to check the YML format. Look, here is a container name. How many container is there? You can find from here also. Yes, from here only. This is the kind is the port. App name Nginx sample. Deployment. Just come to the container portion. Yes. The image is used in here. Container name is Nginx sample. Container port 8080 TCP protocol. The resources used. This mount part. Only one container. See, one more thing I want to show you. The event, whatever. This section is already running. Minus. Okay. Let's publish it. Get sorry. OC get SVC. This service is showing the service Nginx sample cluster IV report. Okay. Before route, we need to do the expose resource and then resource name Nginx sample is saying that already exists. Okay. OC route step whatever. 1 minute. You can check the route here also. It's already created in here, the service. Just click on it. Application is not available because HTTPS S is working in here. Just remove the S, application is running. Okay. So how to, you can do one thing. You go in here, edit route, just enable the secure and save across it. The S is coming. It's working. So you can check the uses also in here. You have to go home, project, go to the workload, running, observe, the matrix is showing just now. The CPU just look the port name, name uses, look the port name. So you can check in here also the graphics, okay, like that. The same we can 1 minute. I'll check the route command. Check the look memory. Okay. Now suppose OC gates. If you have any problem or have to know onto the troubleshoot, then we can debug the port like I mean the exactly same port will be created for our troubleshooting purpose. Then the port name Nginx. Make the mistake. Nginx sample not come. It will create. You don't know. All the command output from the session will be recorded to container logs. Okay. Look, this is the bash. Okay, and this is sh. You are in the inside of the port. You can check in here also. Study. 1 minute. Sorry, my mistake. Okay. So from exit here, you can exit debug port. So if you want to log in the running port, then we'll see running RSH. in the pod and the pod name. Simple, then 7 number. Look, we are in the SH. Okay, for exit purpose, exit. Like that, we can troubleshoot and we have deployed the Nginx. And if you want to delete that one, after the lab, we have to delete that one. We go to the workload. Okay, come to the deployment, Nginx deployment, extend, just click on it and extend, make delete deployment. Yes, delete. It will delete. Look, so now if we check OC get code, it will show only the workspace one. Or OC get deploy, there is no deployment of Nginx like that. So this series I will continue each and every maximum project on OpenShift, and one more series I will continue the technical parts, the theory parts. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.